Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really important topic, and that is copywriting your Amazon KDP books. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and tricks that I use myself to help with my Amazon KDP business. Now, publishing a book on Amazon KDP involves multiple steps, from securing your copywriting to finalizing your manuscript and also designing your cover. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'll walk you through the process that will help you to correctly copyright and publish your books on Amazon KDP. Now, the first thing you need to do when it comes to copywriting is preparing for copyright. So before publishing, you need to secure the copyright for your book. And here's how. Step one is to finalize your manuscript. So whether you have written the book yourself or whether you've worked with a freelancer, make sure to ensure that your manuscript is always complete and saved as a single PDF file. Step two is the US Copyright Office website. So you can access that by going on Google, typing in US Copyright Office and navigating to the official site, log in, create an account in the Electronic Copyright Office system. Once you have created that account, you go to step 3, which is submitting your copyright application. So you can go ahead and choose standard application and select literary work. Add your book's title, your book's publication year, and your name as the author. Then you can go ahead and fill out only the required fields to avoid complication. Now, there is a fee involved if you want to correctly copyright your book, and that is in step 4, which is paying the fee. So you can go ahead and submit your payment, which is usually around that $65 mark. And then you upload your manuscript, which is step 5. So after you've processed that payment correctly, go ahead and upload the PDF of your book as part of the registration process. So the Copyright Office will now send you a certificate once the process is complete, and that certificate is going to be really important to help you with the upcoming steps as well. Step 2 is to prepare your manuscript for publishing. So after securing your copyright, you need to finalize your manuscript for KDP. So in terms of the ISBN number, you can go ahead and create an account on Amazon KDP and also select create a new title, choose the format, whether it's paperback, and provide your book details such as the title, subtitle, and author name. Now, if you publish on Amazon KDP, you're well aware of that process, and then you can go ahead and use Amazon's free ISBN option, which issues you with a free ISBN. And note that this ISBN restricts the book to only being published on Amazon. So if you intend to publish the book on other platforms, don't get a free ISBN number through Amazon. Step 2 is to update your manuscript. So once you've got that ISBN, you can now send the ISBN and the copyright details to your freelancer, or to make sure you have it recorded on a digital paper or a notebook, for example, if you are not using a freelancer. If you're using a freelancer, then you can just go ahead and send these details to your freelancer, and they will add this information to the title or copyright page of your book. And step 3 is start formatting for KDP. So if you are writing your own book and publishing it and you don't have a freelancer, then you can use the trim size 8.5 times 11 inches. This is the best size when it comes to KDP. It's a large print and it will allow you a lot of space and a lot of flexibility as well. And ensure that your manuscript is formatted according to KDP's margin and layout guidelines. If you need, then you can also make sure that your book's all formatted correctly according to KDP formatting, and you can find some really good free Canva templates available on Creative Fabrica. I will link the templates in the description box below, so you can go ahead and download these templates, and it will show you exactly what you need in terms of the trim size and in terms of the cover design and all the essentials that you need to get started. And step 3 or part 3 is designing the cover. Now, your book's cover plays a wonderful role in attracting readers. You can go ahead and hire a cover designer, like using platforms like Upwork to find freelancers that are experienced in Amazon KDP cover designs, or you can go ahead and create the cover yourself. You can also make sure that you have the details that you need before creating your cover, such as the book's title, subtitle, total page count, because all this will help in determining the spine width. An offer design inspirations, for example, just go ahead and look at Amazon KDP for design inspirations, just like what we do in the process of for filtering out trending keywords for Amazon KDP, where we really look at covers and try to dissect the different components and the structure of that cover to help us understand what makes a great cover for that niche. Then you can go ahead and review and finalize, and you can also include necessary elements such as leaving a blank space for Amazon's barcode on the back cover is really important. You can also go ahead and add a digitalized QR code for a landing page or reviews if you want as well. Now that your cover is ready and so is your manuscript, you can go ahead and upload to Amazon KDP. And it's so simple and easy. So in terms of that, you would log into KDP account, upload your formatted manuscript, and you would select the interior type, whether it's black and white or color, and also the paper type. For example, if you needed just a white paper type, and then you would choose the bleed if your design extends to the edges of the page, and you can upload your cover PDF, ensuring that the barcode space is left blank for Amazon. In terms of the book details, you could just provide a description of your book. You can highlight its benefits, and you can add relevant categories and keywords to help readers find your book. And then you would review all these details, you would confirm that everything is correct, and you would set your publication or release date. So what happens after you publish your book? So after you publish your book, it's really easy. You got to pay attention to two things: marketing and monitoring sales and reviews. In terms of marketing, you can go ahead and use social media, email list, and other platforms to promote your book. And in terms of the sales and reviews, monitoring and tracking, you can always engage with readers and gather feedback for future projects. Polls, reviews, these kind of different elements are really important to help gather customer feedback. So publishing on Amazon KDP can seem complex at first, but breaking it into manageable steps does make it so much more easier. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like and share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.